How to make her miss you and reignite her curiosity. Hi everyone, I'm Apollonia Ponti, dating and relationship coach, and today we're talking about something many men struggle with: how to make her miss you after she pulls away. This is for those situations where things seemed fine. You were texting, hanging out, maybe even building a connection. And then suddenly she says she's not interested, doesn't see it going anywhere, or simply stops putting in effort. So what do you do if you want to spark her interest again? Let's get into it. 1. Show real change. The first thing is simple. You need to become someone she feels curious about again. If she walked away, chances are she felt the dynamic had become predictable or something was missing. The best response is not begging, chasing, or trying to convince her. It's showing growth. Do something new. Try activities that make your life more exciting. Take a trip, learn a skill, go hiking, join a gym. Try something adventurous like skydiving or skiing. The goal is not to fake a lifestyle. It's to actually create one that makes you feel more alive. 2. Use social media strategically. Yes, social media can work in your favor. When you're doing new things, enjoying life, and improving yourself, let that naturally show online. Post moments that reflect confidence, fun, and growth. Why? Because curiosity is powerful. When she sees that your life is moving forward without her, she may start wondering, what changed? Who is he becoming? Did I walk away too soon? That curiosity can reopen the door. 3. Be more social. Don't isolate yourself. Go out with friends, meet people, stay active. If there are areas of your life you've wanted to improve, fitness, style, confidence, now is the time. Even small changes can create a big shift in how you carry yourself. And remember, women often notice energy changes before anything else. If you genuinely seem happier, stronger, and less attached, that stands out. 4. When she reaches out, stay calm. This is where most men ruin it. If she texts you again, don't assume she suddenly wants you back. Usually, the first message is just curiosity. She may simply be checking if you're still available. So don't overreact. If she says, "Hey, how are you?" don't instantly reply with excitement. Take your time, respond casually. "Doing well, hope you're good too." Short, calm, no emotional overload. Let her be the one who starts investing if she was the one who stepped away. 5. Let her come toward you. The key is this: if she left, she needs to feel the desire to come back on her own. That only happens when you stop chasing and start focusing on your own life. As her curiosity grows, she may reach out more. She may suggest meeting up. She may start finding excuses to reconnect. When that happens, don't act like nothing happened. But don't overwhelm her either. Meet her with calm confidence, as if you're reconnecting fresh. No guilt, no pressure, no, "I missed you so much." Just confidence, ease, and letting her experience the new version of you. Final thought. The biggest mistake men make is trying to make a woman miss them by forcing distance as a tactic. The truth is, she misses you when she sees that life with you had value, and that value is still growing without her. So stop trying to convince her. Focus on becoming the man she naturally becomes curious about again.